Hi, welcome to SBL Kitchen. I'm Mukta Nagaraj. Today's recipe is carrot halwa. There are two versions. Today I'm showing you with adding Khoya. Let's begin the recipe. With 2 tablespoons of ghee, I've grated half kg of carrots. This I will cook approximately for 10 minutes like this in a low flame by closing a lid. This has taken around 10 minutes. Now I'm going to keep it in the lower flame and keep stirring, or medium to low heat should be fine. Now the raw smell of the carrot is gone, so I'm going to add in the sugar. And keep stirring this. The sugar should melt and it should again the water which leaves in should evaporate. The whole process I'm keeping the temperature low. See, now again the water is completely evaporated from this. This is the right time. I'll add milk to it. Since this is hot, I'm taking the milk also hot, so that it's always the milk when added has to be of the same temperature. It won't curdle. Now again I'm going to stir in continuously so that the moisture from the milk also should get evaporated. It may take another 5 minutes for this. If you see in the pan now, the moisture from the milk has been completely evaporated. I shall switch off the flame. I want to fry the Khoya for some time. It gets melted. In few minutes time, Khoya will become very soft. Then it's easy to add so that there are no lumps in this. See, you can see the difference from the time I've put it to the pan and now it's becoming softer. This is completely soft now. I can add this to this mixture. While this is getting cooked, I'm going to roast some cashew and almonds in ghee. Going to add in the almonds first. Few seconds later, I'm going to add in the cashews. I want all the cashews to be in golden. It's the right time to turn off the flame and this can go in. Now I'm going to add in some elaichi powder and some more ghee on top and give it a nice stir. I will just turn on the flame for a couple of minutes, not too much. Now you can see everything mixed well. I can switch off the flame and this is ready to serve. For more recipes, like and subscribe SBL Foods.